Hello boys, hello girls, how are you today? Are you happy? Are you fine? Are you tired? Or are you sad? How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Do you like dancing? Very good. Me too. I like dance. And now we are going to dance the Hokey Pokey song. Are you ready? Fantastic. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. You put one hand in, you put one hand out, you put one hand in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and turn around. Everybody turn around. You put two hands in, you put two hands out, you put two hands in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. You put one foot in, you put one foot out, you put one foot in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and sit down. Everybody please sit down. You put 2 feet in, you put 2 feet out, you put 2 feet in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and stand up. Everybody please stand up. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and sing a song. La 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 la. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in, and you shake, 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 shake. You do the hokey pokey and take a bow. Everybody take a bow. Very good. Today we are going to do workout. We play the game Simon Say. This roulette is going to tell us what action we have to practice. Are you ready? Stand up. What's that? Yes, it is. Sit down, stand up. Sit down, stand up. Can you do it? Sit down, stand up. Sit down, stand up. Very good. Come on, press it again. I love to jump. We can jump like a kangaroo. We can jump like a frog. And you, can you jump? Try to jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you can only do what Simon says. Now it's time to clap your hands. Clap your hands. Now it's time to shake your body. We did that before. Now you have to shake your body. Shake your hands. Shake your head. Shake your foot. And now shake your body. Very good. Are you ready to discover which movement we are going to do now? What does run mean? Can you run? Yes, run! Now, run as quickly as you can. Run, run, run as quickly as you can. Very good. Do you feel tired? No? Okay, let's see what Simon says. It is easy. Can you walk, but now walk as slowly as you can. As slowly as you can. Slowly as you can.
It is the last time that we play.
Now you have to stomp your feet. Yes, it is. Stomp your feet. Do you like the game? Now you can play all the times that you want. Bye bye. See you. Be safe. Mwah.